Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll start with the first stage of DU roadmap, the basics. We'll start with a quick introduction about what is DU, where and why is it used. We'll see different types of document structures and how do we extract information from the different types of document structures, difference between OCR and DU. And at the end, we'll see the complete overview of document understanding framework. What is document understanding? UiPath Document Understanding is a powerful feature that is designed to automate the extraction and processing of structured data from various types of documents such as invoices, purchase orders, receipts, etc. It is used to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of document processing tasks within the automation workflow. It combines the OCR technology with advanced ML algorithms to extract and identify the relevant information from the documents. Now, why to use UiPath Document Understanding? We'll have a common question of why to use DU and why not native PDF activities. Native PDF activities package will just extract the entire text from the electronic PDF and it will not deal with any unstructured formats. But with DU, we can extract information from complex document types like unstructured. We can do data validation, classification, and it is also so powerful because of the involvement of AI and ML within that. And that will significantly speeds up the document processing, which will be efficient. And then the accuracy, it improves data extraction accuracy and reducing the risk of errors. And it ensures the compliance with data privacy regulations by handling sensitive documents securely. Now, where is UiPath document understanding used? It can be used in various industries and departments like finance and accounting. Here, it is used to process invoices, receipts, and purchase orders. And legal, here we extract data from contracts, agreements, and legal documents. And healthcare, to handle the medical records and insurance claims. HR and procurement, to automate heavy processes like employee onboarding and purchase ordering processing. Next, the document structures. Based on the complexity of the document, there are three kinds of structures: structured, semi structured, and unstructured. Firstly, structured. The documents which are in detailed format and filling the data also will have the precise areas. These come in a fixed form and are generally called as forms. Like, for example, you can see here the return of the general format. Here the data will be filled within this box and it will not exceed. So these kind of documents are called structured ones. And the semi structured one, these will not have a fixed format and the data can be unbound in the entire area, and then this might have a dynamic number of rows in a table. For example, if you see the invoice here, there the number of rows can be increased within the table. And finally, the unstructured. Here, the organization of data will be very bad and it will be very harder for the bots to recognize the text from there. And it will be mainly handwritten. So these are called completely unstructured documents. And these are the examples, few examples. Firstly, unstructured, like contracts, health records, and emails. Unstructured documents, forms, licenses, and passports. Semi structured documents, like PO, purchase orders, invoices, and utility bills. So the documents might be in different kinds and forms, but they can be classified using these three document structures. And the other case, some of them can be structured in the top. The top part of the document can be structured, and the filling inside might be unstructured, and vice versa. So how do we solve these kind of problems? To solve that, UiPath brought two types of data extraction methodologies. First one, rule based. The rule based will be mainly for structured. So it depends on the set of rules to extract data from a document. For example, creating templates based on field positions and scrape the info based on the template, or use regex to recognize the patterns and scrape. But there is major problem. Since the positions are predefined, change in the positions might affect the output or might require the reconfiguration. And the second method, model based. Here, the extraction will be mainly based on machine learning. These will be used for semi-structured or unstructured. In semi-structured, extracts same data from each document, and that requires a pre-trained ML model. Since we have to train the model to extract, always look at the same position, and if the position is slightly changed, then match the word. For example, we might give the words called we can give the field values. For example, search for name, and then whatever is next to name, we can get that. So those models those type of things has to be pre-trained. and non-structured. So here it will extract, it will read the text, extract the meaning, and identify the right data. So the main challenge will be it requires the ML knowledge to implement the models. So these two comes under model based. So now what are the major differences between OCR and DO? Document understanding is an ability to extract and interpret the info, whereas the OCR is just a method that reads the text from images and recognize each character and its position. That's it. There are many differences in their capabilities. OCR is just a method that helps in one of the step of document understanding process called digitize, whereas document understanding is a process enabled by UiPath's intelligent OCR package, which will make a full document processing possible. Next, document understanding overview. UiPath provides DU framework, which is designed to help users to combine different approaches to extract information from multiple document types. Firstly, we create the taxonomy for different types of documents, and then we use OCR engine to digitize the complete document, and then we classify based on its types. And then for each type, we'll have different extractors, and then here we extract the complete information. Finally, we use that extract data for further usage. That will be the general flow. So if you want to involve human and if you want to involve ML algorithms, under classify, if the document is unstructured, then we involve a validation station where human can involve and then he can decide. If the robot can't decide the type of the document, human can validate using action center. And then based on its validation, the model will be trained again. So we involve ML here using UiPath AI Center. Also, while the extraction, after the extraction is done, if the document is different and it is unstructured or semi-structured, if your robot doesn't is not able to extract the relevant information, an action item will be thrown to user. Here the user will be validating the data and then he'll adjust the data. And then based on those adjustments, the model will be trained and the next time it will extract by itself. So here that's how we involve ML, machine learning, and then action center. So these are the tools that are used in design time and runtime. For example, to design, we use Studio, Document Understanding, and AI Center. And in the runtime, the robot will be running using UiPath Orchestrator and robots. We have Action Center and AI Center to validate and then train and test the models. That's all for today. If you have any feedbacks, ping in the comment section and then see you in next video. Thank you and happy automation.